Welcome to the FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly podcast series hosted by Jason Ayres, a top instructor, trader, and founder of OptionSource.net. Join Jason as he discusses the latest trends in the Forex market with a look ahead on the US dollar versus the major currencies using the most commonly used technical indicators.
Hi there and welcome to the ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for August 2nd, 2010. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net. Let's take a look at a weekly chart of the U.S. dollar index. This is a great way to gain perspective as to how the U.S. dollar has been trading against a basket of currencies. While the U.S. dollar continues to lose ground against most of the major currencies, dropping below our 82 support level. While this level should act as support, we could see a continuation down to test 80. A support here at 82 lends credibility to a possible retracement back up into this 84-85 focal zone. A quick look at our daily snapshot reflects that breakdown below our 82 support level, suggesting the possibility of a continuation down to test the 80-80.5 support level over the next week. Next up, the CDD, the U.S. versus the Canadian dollar. Well, the CDD is testing support at 103. However, a break below this level opens the window for an extended move to the downside. A bounce and subsequent break above 104 opens the window for a retest of the 105-106 resistance level. The YUK, the U.S. versus the Japanese yen, is testing a support level established several months ago at our 85-86 focal zone. A bounce could retrace back to test 88-89. However, the trend remains down. The EUI consolidates in our 76-77 focal zone as the U.S. dollar continues to slip lower against the euro. Now a break below 76 opens the window for a continuation to the downside. A bounce here is likely to meet with resistance at 78-79. Next up, the BPX, the U.S. versus the British pound. Well, the BPX broke below a major support level established several months ago, opening the window for a move towards 62. Consolidation back into the 64-65 focal zone opens the window for a possible retracement towards 66. Next up, the AUX, the U.S. versus the Australian dollar. Well, the AUX is testing our 110 support level, and we do anticipate a bounce here that should hit 112. A break above 112 opens the window for a move into this 113-114 focal zone. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the U.S. dollar index continues to slip lower. The 82 support failed, opening the window for a move that could extend as deep as 80. The CDD appears to be forming a sideways triangle, suggesting some indecision. 103 remains a key support level. As with last week, we need to see a break above 104 to lend credibility to a move higher. The YUK continues to respect the downtrend. As with last week, 85-86 remains an important support level. A close above 87.5 lends credibility to a move higher. The EUI continued deeper into our 76-77 focal zone. Once again, we suspect this level to continue to act as support. We need to see a break above 78.5 to lend credibility to a reversal in the current downtrend. The BPX tested 64. This level should act as support. However, the pair is showing no signs of reversal at this point. We see major support at 63. The AUX hit 110. A bounce here should take the pair back up to 112. We need to see a break above 112 to lend credibility to a reversal of the major downtrend. And this has been your ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for August 2nd, 2010. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net. Thanks for joining me here this week. We'll see you here next week.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary, visit www.fxoptions.com. Become an OptionSource.net member. Visit www.optionsource.net. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in U.S. dollars and have a European-style exercise.